can make my fantasy real if I am, I'm capable. But for now, of course, I know my capacity. Yes. I cannot I cannot make it my own because I have insufficient funds. So my fun fantasy, I cannot make it for now because I don't have much money. Yes, I'm so happy because I moved into my house. Hola, Joey Kenneth. I need to I need to dig in what's in my mind so I can explain it to you so you can understand what I'm talking. I'm good, Joey. Thank you. What seems to the problems? No, I don't have problems. Thank you, Chris. I'm so happy if you find it excellent. I don't have problems, Joey. I am 100, 100% fine. I am from Philippines. Silang Cavite, Philippines. And I'm doing sewing this time because my son tear the bed sheet, so I need to fix it. Okay, I'm waiting. Can you make 2 coffee? I want to drink also. It's it's called Americano. I bought it on the mall. Yes, Americano. Just coffee and you can add a little bit of sugar. Uh, you can add a little bit of sugar this time. Yes. Thank you in advance. Oh, you're so sweet. Hi, Kaspars, Cassis.